Welcome to the Pancetera Unite TSM demo. The Pancetera Unite Virtual Appliance and Unified File System is a new way to browse, backup, virus scan, or replicate your virtual machines. Pancetera Unite presents all your virtual machines across multiple hypervisors and data stores in a simple unified file system, making it easy to move, provision, and copy your VMs. You can mount this file system using CIFS or NFS on Windows, Linux, or Unix computers. From there, you can perform operations such as backup or replication using any standard file system tools. You can even drag and drop a running virtual machine to your desktop. Even if an ESX server or hypervisor contains hundreds of virtual machines that are stored on local, NAS, iSCSI, or SAN-attached data stores, they are still unified in a simple file system. After the install of the Pancetera Unite Virtual Appliance, bring up your TSM Backup Archive GUI and click Backup. In the Backup window, expand the Network list in the left pane, then further expand the Pancetera Unite Network drive. In this demo, it is assigned to drive letter P. You will find all the ESX servers assigned to Pancetera. Expand an ESX server to select the specific VM or select an entire ESX server to back up all of that server's VMs. Next, check the square box beside the item to select it. Since this is the first time a backup is being done through Pancetera, a full backup will be performed. Click the Backup button to start the backup. A pop-up message will appear once the backup is completed. To complete a restore of a virtual machine, select Restore and navigate to File Level by expanding the list. In the list, you will find the Pancetera selection represented with the appliance name or IP address and drive letter. Select the drive to display all of the virtual machines that are backed up. Locate the desired virtual machine and check the square box beside it to mark it for restore. Click on the Restore button on the top left side of the screen for additional options. Select the location for temporary storage of the virtual machine by selecting following location. Specify the location. Finally, click on the Restore button to begin the restore. A pop-up message will appear once the restore is completed. To attach the restored virtual machine to any ESX server, perform the following procedure. Bring up the VMware Virtual Infrastructure GUI and locate the ESX server that you want to use. Note that the original virtual machine that we backed up is still running. Select the ESX server and on the right pane, click on Configuration. In the Configuration tab, select Storage and then determine the storage where the restored virtual machine will reside. Right-click the data store of your choice and select Browse Data Store. Click the Upload File or Folder button and select the Upload Folder option to select the restored VM. The VM will be copied over to the data store and will become available for inclusion in the ESX server's inventory. To add the VM to the inventory, double-click the VM folder inside the data store and right-click the VMX file to select Add to Inventory. The Add to Inventory wizard will walk you through assigning a new name for the VM. At this time, the virtual machine is added to the ESX server inventory and is ready to be powered up for use. It's that simple. You can download a trial today. To get started, go to support.pancetera.com and log in using your support email address and password. If you don't have one yet, sign up for a trial at www.pancetera.com. It will only take about 30 minutes to complete the installation of the Pancetera Virtual Appliance and get your own P drive.